With Tefal, from 2008, we want all our products to be repairable and to be repaired. We believe that our products should be able to be used for many years, even after a possible defect. It must become an obvious economical choice for consumers. And of course, it is better as it avoids unnecessary waste. Our factories and our research and development centers are working hard to make sure that the products can be easily repaired. And our service centers worldwide can quickly obtain all the necessary spare parts at an affordable cost. This is thanks to a huge stock of parts which guarantees the availability for future years, some of which are already produced on demand with our additive manufacturing technology, and so it will be available indefinitely. So we needed to make it more obvious to the consumers that repairs are possible and indeed preferable. We want our consumers to be able to identify a product which will have many years of use even after a possible defect. And it is with this logo, 15 years repair, progressively on all our products, that a shopper will be able to see the difference.